Gusto kong magpa-train ng aking mga tao, but my problem is they are resistant to change. Yung aking mga empleyado, ayaw nila. If you're a business owner na hampered ng ganitong reaction or feedback ng iyong mga empleyado, and it's the reason why you are delaying that decision to invest sa kanilang training and development, you're actually hurting and limiting your business. Because you know very well as a business owner ano yung impact if your people are efficient, if your people are trained in running and growing your business. So what to do instead? Well, it's important that you must develop an open communication sa kanila so that you can convince them, persuade them, and sell them the idea na yung training na gagawin mo para sa kanila, it is for their own advancement and enhancement, both personally and professionally. And this is very important kasi unless and until nakita nila yung value ng ipapagawa mo sa kanila, they will not support that or they will not participate 100% sa iyong mga programs. So, even better na gagawin is involve these employees in creating training designs so that mas may participation sila, mas may ownership sila sa iyong mga program and mga initiatives. So, this way, slowly but surely, you're able to persuade these employees that what you're doing as a company is for the overall good ng bawat isa sa organization so that you can grow, you can become dominant, you can thrive, and you can serve more people in your business.